Basketball, a game that transcends boundaries and unites people from all walks of life. The sound of sneakers squeaking on the hardwood, the rhythmic bounce of the ball, the swish of the net. These are the symphonies of the basketball court. It's more than just a game. It's a way of life, a passion that ignites the soul. When you step onto the court, you leave behind the worries and stresses of the day. The only thing that matters is the game in front of you, the challenge of outsmarting your opponent, of pushing your body to its limits. Basketball is not just a physical exercise, it's a mental one too. You have to think fast, react quicker, anticipate your opponent's next move. It's a chess game played at lightning speed. And, oh, the physicality of it all. The way your muscles burn with each sprint down the court. The way your heart pounds in your chest as you go up for a layup. Basketball is a full-body workout like no other. Your legs power you through the defense. Your arms shoot the ball with precision. Your core keeps you balanced and strong. Every muscle in your body is engaged, working together in perfect harmony. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Basketball teaches you discipline, teamwork, resilience. You learn to trust your teammates, to communicate effectively, to never give up even when the odds are against you. The lessons you learn on the court translate into every aspect of your life. You become a better person, a stronger person, a person who knows that hard work and dedication will always pay off in the end. And let's not forget the sheer joy of playing the game. The adrenaline rush of hitting a game-winning shot, the camaraderie of celebrating with your teammates, the satisfaction of knowing you left it all on the court. Basketball is pure bliss, a moment of escape from the chaos of the world. So lace up your sneakers, grab a ball, and hit the court. Feel the rush of air as you sprint down the court, the thrill of making a perfect pass, the satisfaction of sinking a three-pointer. Basketball is more than just a game. It's a way of life. It's a journey of self-discovery, of pushing yourself beyond your limits, of finding joy in the simple act of playing a game. Exercise your whole body. Exercise your mind. Exercise your soul. Play basketball and let the magic of the game transform you into the best version of yourself.